On the night of the Lantern Festival in China, the streets were bustling with activity. Families and friends gathered by the big river, their faces illuminated by the glow of thousands of lanterns. There was an air of excitement and anticipation as everyone prepared their lanterns to set them free into the night sky. Each lantern was unique, some adorned with intricate designs, while others bore messages of hope and good fortune. As the sun set, the first lanterns began their ascent, slowly at first, and then with increasing speed as the warm air from the candles lifted them higher. The river reflected the golden light, creating a mesmerizing display of flickering patterns on the water's surface. The crowd grew larger, and the sounds of laughter and conversation filled the air. Vendors sold delicious street food, and children ran around with smaller handheld lanterns, their joy contagious. As more lanterns took to the skies, a gentle hum of awe washed over the crowd. Soon the sky was dotted with glowing orbs, like a blanket of stars, each carrying the wishes and dreams of its maker. The climax of the evening came with the fireworks display. Loud cracks and bursts of color filled the night, illuminating the river and the sea of faces turned skyward. The fireworks painted the sky in brilliant hues of red, gold, and green, their reflections dancing wildly on the water. The combined spectacle of the lanterns and the fireworks created an image of otherworldly beauty that would be remembered by all who attended. In that moment, under the starry canopy of lanterns and amidst the exploding fireworks, strangers and friends alike felt a sense of unity and hope, celebrating life, love, and the promise of the future.